Hello, this is Cooking with Mike B. It's still Wednesday the 29th. And yeah, we're having a blizzard right now. We weren't supposed to get snow. Yeah, look at this. This is insane. It's almost around 1 o'clock. Weather stuff the other day said we weren't going to get any snow, and we got all of this. Look at all of this. Oh man, now that cold wind's back too. Alright, let's make a quick video. So it's snowing again here in my neck of the woods, and we weren't supposed to get any snow. Alright, listen to that wind. Wow. Look at that. That's all. Look at the snow is really coming down heavy, and it's big chunks of it too. Look at this. Wow. Ugh. Oh God, I'm covered. I'm covered in snow right now. Alright. Y'all stay safe, y'all stay warm, y'all stay hydrated. Please drink your water, it's very important. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.